Bonjour. In a lesson last week, one of my students asked me how they would put words together, what kind of examples I could share with them to encourage people. And I thought there's actually quite a few things we can say, but it's going to depend on the situation. So I put a little list together and we went through it in our private one-on-one lesson online. But I wanted to make a quick video to share with you some of these for inspiration when we have conversations. And sometimes someone tells you something and you're not always sure how to react, what to say back. So here are going to be some phrases that you can use, make your own, and adapt to different situations. So watch this video and I'll share the slides now. Alors, here are some phrases you can use to encourage others. First, we're going to work on the pronunciation and the meaning, and then we'll look at different situations to use them. Let's have a look. Tu peux le faire. Tu peux le faire. You can do it. J'ai confiance en toi. J'ai confiance en toi. J'ai confiance en toi. I trust in you. I've got confidence in you. It's another version of you can do it, and I trust you. J'ai confiance en toi. C'est ça. Continue comme ça. C'est ça. Continue comme ça. Lots of soft C sounds. You can see the CCD before the A, which makes it a nice soft one, like a double S. C'est ça. Continue comme ça. But the C before the O makes a hard sound. So continue, like you expect it in English. That's right. Continue like that. Keep going. Tu vas réussir à le faire. This one is a bit more intermediate. You are going to manage to do it. You're going to succeed in doing it. Tu vas réussir à le faire. Tu vas réussir à le faire. Tu vas y arriver is another version of the same thing. You're going to manage to do this. Tu vas y arriver. Here, the meaning of arriver is different to j'arrive à Paris, which is the main use of the verb arriver, to arrive somewhere. Arriver à is using, and when I say à is you'll see the little pronoun I here, which replaces an idea. So, tu vas arriver à gagner la compétition. And imagine you're saying you are going to manage to win this competition, and you're not wanting to say the whole phrase, à gagner la compétition. That whole phrase can turn into that little pronoun I. And if you're an intermediate learner, you'll have seen that, heard that, or come across a few examples. Tu vas réussir à le faire, and tu vas y arriver are probably for intermediate and advanced learners. So don't panic. You can use all the others. So the next one is using imperative with vas-y or allez-y. It's like saying go on. Make sure you do the liaison. Vas-y, allez-y. First one is for just one person, and allez-y is for several people or formal one person. And finally, reste fort or feminine, reste forte. You can say stay strong. Stay strong when you're cheering someone for their strength and their resilience in a situation. So let's have a look at a few examples. So first example to encourage others, je n'ose pas demander une promotion à mon patron. I don't dare ask for my boss for a promotion. I don't dare. Anyone who is saying something like that and you want to encourage them, you can say, tu peux le faire. Tu peux le faire. You can do it. Another situation that you can use this for is j'ai peur de rater mon examen demain. J'ai peur de rater mon examen demain. I'm scared of ruining or not succeeding, rater, my exam tomorrow. Failing. That's probably the best translation for examen. Rater un examen, to fail one. J'ai peur de rater mon examen demain. And you can say, j'ai confiance en toi. J'ai confiance en toi. Another opportunity to encourage others is, tu penses qu'on va pouvoir finir de déballer les cartons ce soir? Tu penses qu'on va pouvoir finir de déballer les cartons ce soir? Do you think we're going to be able to finish unpacking the boxes tonight? You're maybe in the middle of a moving of houses or apartments. And you can say, oui, c'est ça. Continue comme ça. Yes, that's it. Keep going just as you are. Keep going like that. And we'll get it finished tonight. Another time you can encourage others is if someone says, je ne suis pas sûr de pouvoir finir la course. Je ne suis pas sûr de pouvoir finir la course. In that case, you're saying, I'm not sure I can finish. I'm not sure I'm able to finish the race, la course. And you can cheer them on and say, tu vas réussir à le faire. You are going to manage to do it. Tu vas y arriver. You are going to manage to. To encourage others, you can imagine a situation where someone says, Maman, ce toboggan est tellement haut. Maman, ce toboggan, this slide, est tellement haut, is so high. And the mom or the parent can turn around and say, vas-y, or allez-y, go on, and encourage and cheer for them. Vas-y, allez-y. The next one is, j'attends anxieusement les résultats de mon test sanguin. J'attends anxieusement les résultats de mon test sanguin. I'm eagerly or anxiously awaiting the results of my blood test. And your friend might say, reste forte, reste forte, stay strong. Voila, that is the end of a nice short video. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. I'd love to know if you have other phrases that you use to encourage others. I've shared 7 ways. Répétez après moi. Tu peux le faire. J'ai confiance en toi. C'est ça. Continue comme ça. Tu vas réussir à le faire. Tu vas y arriver. Vas-y, allez-y, reste fort ou forte. Superbe. Merci beaucoup. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Au revoir.